New and improved Aminocare registered cream 30 grams directions, apply to clean skin twice a day or as needed. New and improved Aminocare registered cream is formulated with different amino acids for a complete skin rejuvenating experience. Amino acids are the building blocks of collagen and elastin, which are essential for healthy, radiant-looking skin. One of the key ingredients in the new and improved Aminocare registered cream is Tamanu oil, the wild harvested Polynesian fruit of the ATI tree. It is hand-collected after the fruit ripens and falls naturally to the ground. Tamanu seeds are removed from the fruit carefully by hand and sun-dried. The seeds are cold pressed to extract the oils, as it has been traditionally done for centuries. The Tamanu oil in new and improved Aminocare registered cream is 100% pure virgin Tamanu oil, non-refined, non-deodorized and certified vegan. The Aminocare registered cream now includes Rice Bran Oil that provides an additional boost of antioxidant power, Amino Silk allowing better skin absorption, and Celligent registered complex that has been especially developed for treating UV-stressed skin. The new and improved Aminocare registered formula helps promote active cell protection, rapid regeneration of damaged cells and better anti-aging benefits. It restores, rejuvenates and leaves skin with a healthy glow. New and improved Aminocare registered cream is formulated without the addition of parabens, dyes, or mineral oil, animal byproducts, and is never tested on animals. Aminocare cream includes Rice Bran Oil that provides an additional boost of antioxidant power, Amino Silk allowing better skin absorption, Celligent complex that has been especially developed for treating UV-stressed skin, and Tamnu oil featuring natural anti-inflammatory properties. The Aminocare formula helps promote active cell protection, rapid regeneration of damaged cells and better anti-aging benefits. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.